Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will see more on how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Well, I wasn't gonna do a video today as I spent most of the day today working on this bed. This is one of my newest orchid bed. I did some cleaning and removal of weeds and did a little rearranging, and so I want to do just a very quick video to show you exactly some of the things that I had done and some of the plants that I actually have blooming in there today. Now, of course, this time of year is when the Epidendrum orchids are in their glory, and this one at the back here, it doesn't fail to put on a stunning show each year. And of course, this year is no different. So that's my, I don't have an ID, but that's my purple Epidendrum orchid in the back there. It's actually in a clay pot and is really putting on a nice show. I have a few other Epidendrum orchids in this section of my garden, and some are still in spikes or not yet opened, and some are actually opened up. So let me just show you one or two of them that are opened. Right now, one of the concepts that I use in this section of my garden, I actually make wire baskets and make tower out of wire baskets and actually put the orchids, the Vanda orchids or the Macora around the orchids on them, and they seem to like it. So if you look closely, you will see a few of them down there in these wire baskets, and this is a new concept that I am trying, and I find that it is working pretty well and I'm loving it. If you see another one here, so in this bed I have several of these wire baskets that I use to mount my orchids on, my Vanda orchids, and they are doing pretty well on it. So this section of my garden actually has a lot of these, and I am intending to actually put some more there because they really like it. Actually, I'm gonna do a video to show you just how I do it. So maybe my next video will be one just showing you exactly how I make the baskets and how I actually mount the orchids on them. This one is really putting on a stunning show. It's a Dendrobium aradang orange, and really is a beautiful one, and it loves being in this bed. This bed is actually at the front of my home where it faces the east, and therefore it actually gets a morning sun, and the sun will leave here perhaps around anytime after midday one, and the bed is actually doing better than most of my other beds in my garden or at my home. So in rearranging this section, I have to show you this stunning bloom. This is a to die for in this bed. Oh, so beautiful. It actually has on 2 spikes. I'm not even sure if you're seeing it, the real beauty of it. Let's see if I can give you a closer look. It's Arachne Jitnima Red. Let's see if I can get the ID for you. The leaves sort of looks like an antelope. If you notice the formation of the leaves, right? So it's really a different type of plant. So what have I done differently? I have this metal pot or cast iron. It's a cast iron pot that I have here, and I had Epidendrum in it for a number of years, and somehow this year I decided to try some Vanda Orchids in it, and believe me, they seem to like it. So of course today I removed all the Epidendrum orchids from it and just leave the Vanda Orchids in it. So it complements this aspect of my bed. What it actually does is it expands the size of this bed, so it's kind of filling up the area completely. So can you imagine what a beauty is going to be like when it is all in bloom? Yes. Okay, so right behind it I have here my three-legged cast iron pot, and this is a very large one. You don't see this one very often. And on it I have a number of mounts. So I've mounted here some Oncidium right there, and they're actually doing pretty well on it, but it needs some time to really become established, and so I am working on it. But pretty soon I'm sure it will start putting on a stunning show. Right, so this is what the garden looks like from this angle. Alright, as I said, it's gonna be a really very quick and short video, so I want you to tell me in the comment box if you want me to do a question and answer session with you. Also, I am thinking of going live, but I've never gone live, so I'm not even sure how to do this thing, but I will figure it out at some point. So if you're interested in me going live and also doing a Q&A, you can put it in the comment below. So this is what this section of my garden looks like. This is from another angle. Right. So if you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, and so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, follow back a me now, because this is the Orchid Doc, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.